Hey everyone and welcome back. I'm Mr. Stoltz and today, yes, as you can notice, I have a slight cold. That is the reason why my voice sounds like Sean Connery a little bit. Today I'm taking a look at the Nike Epic React. It is one of my favorite pair of shoes of all time. I have to say that, yes it is. I am in love with this shoe. When it was first released, I absolutely loved it. The cushioning, how lightweight it is, the look of it, the bounciness, yes, everything I love about it. I have a few pairs, and today I'm taking a look at the Nike Epic React Flyknit Belgium. So this, when I first saw it, I was like, this is a crazy color. I need it. I gotta have it. I want it. It is super vivid, and who doesn't love this? It's a crazy color. It's like almost like a clown shoe. There's a lot of things going on this shoe, but that is the reason why I loved it. I liked this shoe before. It was like, okay, it's going to be a limited edition shoe because I've had a lot of limited edition shoes, but some I've sold, some I've returned. So the limited part for me is not the whole thing. Sometimes, for people, it's the hype of the limitedness. But hey, it doesn't matter to me. So this is what it looks like. The Belgium, it has all these crazy colors. The Volt green, blue, greenish, red, white. There's a lot of things going on this shoe. And that is probably why I like it a lot. It is really, really crazy. So, the entire upper of this shoe is, as always, a Flyknit upper. It is very, very lightweight, soft, feels great on your foot. I got it a true to size, my size 11. So this shoe will fit perfectly on my foot, but I heard a lot of people saying, hey, you have to go up half a size or even a full size up, depending on if you have wider feet or, something like that. But for me, this shoe works perfectly as a true to size. So I love it. It has, like I mentioned, all of these crazy colors all over the shoe. We have black thin laces, and then at the top, this green, yellowish green, voltish, and we have the white swoosh logo on both sides. It says Flyknit on one of the places right here where the laces connect. And I really like this as well. You have different layers, the Volt, the blue, the green, and the red that goes almost like the Sean Wotherspoon, kind of like that style. So that's really, really nice. The back of the part right here, the back of the shoe, it says Nike on the inner side of the shoe, but not on the outer side of the shoe. And at the back, we have the Epic React pull strap, and then we have a little bit of 3M here as well. So when you're out running, you will be visible. Hey, with this shoe, you will be visible. It doesn't really matter where you're standing because it is pretty vivid. Yes, it is. All of the colors are really saturated, and I love it. Taking a look inside of the shoe, we have an all black inner sock liner. Like all other Epic Reacts, the back part of the shoe is not my concern at all, but a few people has said that because it's that thin, there's not a lot of, like the Odyssey React has a lot more cushioning at the back. So that could be one of the reasons why you want to go half a size up, because for me, it doesn't matter at all. It feels perfect because it's that thin and it's not really super soft. It just really grips around your foot. It feels like a second skin, so to say. So if you don't like that second skin type of feel to it, maybe Odyssey is your way to go. But I love Flyknit, so I'm gonna go with that. All right. So the main point about this shoe, why it is so good and why it feels so good, is the Epic React foam. This foam is out of this world, in my opinion. I actually think it's better than competing brand to this one. It's better in a different way. Like, I like both of them, but hey, I mentioned that in a different video, so I'm not going to talk about that right now. But what I like about the Epic React is that it's super, super bouncy. It's stable, bouncy. You're getting all that energy that you need when you're out running or walking, whatever you do. So that is the reason why I love it. It feels great. It's lightweight, and it's not too soft, so your foot will be in place. It will not like wobble around or nothing like that. So big ups with the foam on this shoe. We have, it says Nike Epic React right here at the back, and then we have the swoosh logo at the back as well. They added this part right here for stability. Taking a look underneath, we have the entire foam except the back and the front, where we have a little bit more of a supportive and protective layer, because the Epic React compared to the Odyssey React. The Odyssey React has a little bit more of this protective right here and right here, because it wears out pretty fast. But I thought it's going to wear out and then be gone, but you can see in like a week or two that their wear and tear has happened right here, but it does not damage it. It doesn't make the shoe worse or anything like that. So for me, I've had the first Epic React since it was released and worn it a lot, and I haven't noticed anything at all where the quality is going down, my running quality is going down, nothing like that at all. You can just see a wear and tear at the front and the back as well. We have a swoosh logo as well at the back, and that is about it. I want to see what it looks like on feet, so let's take a look. So what do you guys think about this shoe? Is this a winner, or do you think, hey, no, it's too much, it looks like a clown shoe, I'll pass on that one and I'll go on to the next Epic React? For me, I really like it. It's different from every other shoe that I have because there is so much going on this shoe. It is just a splash of colors. So what do you guys think? Leave a comment down below what you think about this shoe. Is it too much? Is it just perfect? Is it too little? Do you want even more variations on the toe box and so on and so on and so on? Let's discuss this shoe. So thank you guys for watching. If you're new to my channel, click right here and click right here to see more Nike Epic reviews. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good one.